Hi, I'm Stuart and I'm here with your tech update for the week. Are you tired of having slow computers? Are people on your team complaining that things are just taking longer? Before you decide to replace your hardware for your Windows 10 and 11 machines, we have some tech updates to be able to make things better for you. Firstly, restart it. Yes, it's basic advice and it's tried, tested, and true though, and it does work. Restarting clears out background processes, applications, memory data, and often resolves common performance issues. Next, manage your startup apps to save valuable system resources. Turn off unnecessary ones via the system's settings app. Windows 11 has a feature that saves and restarts certain applications after you reboot. While convenient, it is not ideal for performance. Lastly, uninstall unnecessary applications. They clutter your system and slow it down. By removing them, you'll free up some space and resources for better performance. Of course, rather than doing this yourself, you can hire our tech team, and we can investigate all the software and hardware on your system to find other faults that you may not notice, that we can help prevent bigger problems in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll have more tech updates next week.